Make your soulmate by yourself. Don't miss the end. If you like this video, then hit like for it. This hack is used to make the scene scary. Now look at how it works. Hey, it works! Now what can I do with this scene? Let me see. I knew it. I just make my soulmate by myself with this room decor. You guys just wait and watch. What your opinions, guys? I'm just glad to do this, but I'm a little confused. Tell me in the comment section about this room. Is this okay? Now I'm trying to making a soulmate for myself. Oh no, it looks little ugly. Now I'm making my soulmate in this ugly mixture. Hey, what happened with this result? Anyway, I took it from the post office. It will be alright in the end of this procedure. If you like her soulmate, then share it with your friends and enjoy it. Ta-da-da-da-da, her soulmate is ready. But wait, what is this? Where is his skin?
He is ready, now go.
Finally, 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 I'm succeed. Now wait for the next one. Bye.